What's going on, guys? Ben Leber, former Minnesota Vikings linebacker. Welcome to our project. Welcome to our cabin. This is a cabin we recently purchased a couple years ago in Maple Lake, Minnesota, not far from the Twin Cities, and this baby needs some work. So when we bought this place, we did a whole bunch of interior renovations, right? Classic renovation where we thought we'd just do one room, maybe the kitchen, and then we did a whole gut job. But we kind of neglected the roof. We were told the roof was fine. We get in it for a couple years, and lo and behold, we have some leaks. Now, we brought out 2 other companies to take a look at the roof leak. They said it could be this, it could be that. Nobody could really pinpoint what was going on. Within 10 seconds, Chad looks at our roof and goes, "I know what your problem is."
Prior to Ben buying this property, it had been used as a 3-season cabin, and now they use it for 4 seasons. They were having a lot of issues over the winter with condensation and leaking. Ben and his wife had put a lot of time and effort into remodeling the entire interior of their home, and the protection system we're giving them now is going to make sure that interior remodel stays safe.
When we first bought the cabin, I had a vision in my mind of what it would look like when I got a new roof, and it was a black metal roof.
For the metal to work, a lot of things had to be kind of fixed. I was getting updated pictures, emails, texts. Hey, here's a problem. Here's a couple of solutions and remedies. Here's what it's going to do to the project overall. Every single time they found a better solution.
I was out of town for the whole thing, so to hear all of that communication happening and then all of a sudden walk back here when it was done and be like, oh my gosh, it does look exactly like what we wanted it to look like. It was the attention to detail in the meetings and the things that we got to go through in the planning process for this meant a lot to me, because I just didn't want something thrown up there that wasn't what I wanted or what the vision for me was.
When we were going through the options process, and we talked about just the resilience of metal versus something like asphalt or some of these composite things, not only was it the look that we were sold on, but also this thing is going to last for a long, long time. From start to finish, it was great communication. I love the fact that they actually want to sit down with you face to face and walk through all the options and just say, hey, we don't have to do this over a phone call. We want to make sure that you really are happy with where we're going. We've had a few neighbors already comment like, man, the new roof looks amazing, looks great. So
yeah, our cabin blends in almost a little less now.
Yeah.
Because you see the roof.
Yeah.
I just love it.